Okay, guys, I have on the bench here, guys, a XT audio amplifier, inspiring your sound. Wow, this is a beautiful amplifier, guys. This is kind of a glass thing here. Yeah, this is kind of a glass. It will crack if you hit it too hard. And it have a skull here, guys. If you guys can see, that's beautiful. That's evil. You know, the skull just like in Punisher, yeah. 3000 watt max, it says here, one channel, and it's a 1 ohm amplifier. Yes, guys. Yes, this is the XT3000BR.1D1 full range class D amplifier. And up here it says brutal, BRUTAL, brutal what series, something like that. Yes, series. Yes, guys, this is one is new to me, guys. I don't know this brand. I don't know. But what I do know, guys, the board. Regular, normally those, you know, Brazilian type board. Yes. Yes, guys. So we're gonna go on a journey with this one, guys. You guys can see what happened here. What's up, guys? You can see this thing is toast, guys. This thing is toast. Give you guys a close-up look of it. Yes, that thing is toast. Yeah. Power supply burnt out. Even here, look at this. Wow, gee whiz. Look at this IC. Where the IC is supposed to be the switch IC right here, guys. That thing is burnt up, guys. Yeah, it's really toast. Yeah, if you guys look really good, yes, that part of the circuit is toast. I hope those commercial resistors okay. Holy crap. Yeah, this one is big. Hold on, guys. Let me take this apart, guys. Yeah. Yep. Man. Wow. Yeah, this power supply really burnt up bad, guys. Yep. Right, so that part. So I'm gonna take these screws here up over here, guys. I think I'm gonna remove what this time. Okay, I'm gonna remove only 4. Somebody already removed one from there. Maybe they were trying to look at it, or somebody take it apart already. Maybe no, I don't think so. The way these are opening there, there's no way nobody take it apart yet. Oh, guys, sorry about that. Ah, wrong. Come on. I don't need to do that. Don't need to do that, guys. I need those 2 screws from here, guys. One for the speaker lead and one for the RCA input. Yeah, you move those 2 screws. That's it, guys. So those 2 screws. Yeah, because I'm gonna pull the circuit out this way. Alright. Did I remove it? Whoa, that was quick. Alright, guys. Yeah, look at the chassis. Oh, this is showing a little bit. Yeah, that's really burnt, guys. And now, look at that, guys. Look at that. You guys can see what's the damage here. Look at that. Wow. This thing's burnt up, guys. These are the H1 here, which I'm gonna have to replace with the IRF 1404. And it uses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Plus the switching IC right here. So let me plug the solder in so I can go ahead and start removing these burnt MOSFET. And then I'm going to wash the board. Yes, guys. Hold on, I'm not gonna wash the board on this one. Hold on. Remove this cloth. This is what I'm going to wash the board on, guys. Yeah. Going to wash it on this one right here. Sorry for changing the maybe mess you guys up. Focus, but yeah. Get some gloves. Wow. Ooh, come on. I put on 2 gloves. Put some more. Because I'm gonna work with this area. This guys, so I think this amplifier is a power supply issue. Maybe only. But before I'm gonna just start removing here and then we move on from here, guys. But I have a little time for that salad to eat up, so let's mess around over here. This is the output power section, so I'm gonna be supposed to be along. See, it goes again. Gate, drain, source. So source and drain. That looks good right there. Oh man. Oh, one of them is really. Oh yeah, this is hot. This one is hot too. Oh man. Alright, and this one is good. So this is good, this is good. So see, these are the what? H6, which I'm gonna replace these guys with for IRFB 4115 or IRFB 4115. Yes, guys. You could replace it with the IRFB 4127. So whichever one you guys you have in stock, and both can work. Both will work. Wow. What the heck? Why is this thing taking? Wow. I didn't even look where this amplifier was made, guys. If it was from China or where, but it built really good, guys. Believe me. Some people believe China don't make good stuff. Yeah, guys, they do. They do make stuff to your to what you want, the specs, what you pay them for, the quality you need. Yeah, they will make it up to that. Believe me. Some people just give them a bad name because like they don't make nothing good, but they do make some good stuff. A lot of these amplifier board, just like the Brazilian, they do the same. To me, everything the same. The board looks just, and this, the circuitry, yeah, the trace and everything, and oh yeah, really lined out really good. You'd be surprised, guys. Yep, you would be surprised. Ooh wee, come on, ow. Right. Okay. Cleaning up these trays here. Oh yeah, that's both at the same time. All right. Okay. Okay, yes, still recording. All right. My hot quality, guys. Ooh wee. They don't promote me, guys. This is not a promotional video for them. Not because I show you the brand right there. What I'm using. Yeah. You do this, guys, like this. So you can soak in and get rid of all that stuff. You don't want to rub it off at the same time, you know. Take your time, the transformer and stuff like that, clean it up. Yeah. Right. Right. All right, guys. So, yep. Let's see here. Back, yeah, this looks really fine back here. Let me remove this one now. I'll put back this one. That. Dang, 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 dang. So here you have the switching IC, guys, which I'm going to remove from the board now. So people are gonna say, "Oh, you use a heat gun, or yeah, or whatever." I use what I can use, I use whatever I want to use. Already then, that thing come apart like break up, guys. Wow. Oh, man. So yes, guys, this one is like this. Let me show you. This one really burnt up bad, guys. This one burnt up like that. That's like that right there. Yep. That goes over to trash right there. Oh boy, boy, boy. Right. Oh, I need to show you guys where I clean up this amplifier. Hold on. Let me show you when I clean it up. Alright, over there. As you guys can see now, yeah, looks really better. 101% better. What is going on here? This is supposed to be a resistor here. Okay, the gate resistor. So the gate resistor this uses, guys, is the 4R7, so 4.7 ohm gate resistor for this amplifier. 4.7 ohm gate resistor, guys. Yep. Yeah, scraping away some of this here, right? And the black spot was there. And this here, guys, is a IR 4427. Yes, guys, IR 4427S, or whichever other one that's correspond with it. You also have the, I'll tell you another one, guys. Sorry, the word for it. It's 27524A. Alright, 27524A. Let me see if I find another one that works just the same. Come on, so keep picking up some other brand. Let's work for it. Another number. Let me see if I find one. And this is the same 27. 4. I know I have some other one. And this is 27324. Yes, and R27324, guys. Yes. This time I'm gonna put one up there. This is what I'm gonna put here. 27524. I'm going to put right here. No, let me just do it right now. Oh, some people might think I'm moving too fast, but not really. When you kind of know what you're doing, yes, you can do some stuff. You can take some risks sometimes, guys. Yeah. With some repair, not all. But this one now, turns like, oh, I'll put that there. This is giving me a hard time now. This is moving the thing I have here around like crazy. Right, so they make sure you remember the way, put it back in, guys. The correct way was like this. Let me show you. Yep. This way. And the number one pin on this side down here, guys. So yeah. Okay, hold on, let's see what's going on. Thought I get that really flat, that goes with. Yeah, I could use sort of wick here, guys, yeah, but I get it off really flat, so yeah. have a little way of doing my this thing is moving around like crazy. You shouldn't be doing like that to me, right now. Look at that now. Flip on. Oh, wow. Yes, guys. Sometimes these things will want to give you a hard time, guys. It's an easy little solder work here, and everything will be good. And this thing is flipping all over the place for some strange reason. Wow. All right. Let's plan B. Yes, guys. That's plan B. Look what I'm going to do now, guys. I'm gonna everything on this side here now is soldered. And yep, that's a solder bit right there, guys. Yep, pull it. Yep, all on pull it nice. Yep, that's it right there. That one is good to go. And the job is not done here, guys. So there's some always look at these are resistors you should always look for when you have a problem like this with these amplifier. Ah, let me see if this is it, guys. It's look. Hold on. There's a resistor right here, which is I don't know if it's 4.7. Sometimes 4.7, sometimes is 10. It goes straight from the positive terminal, which is this one here, to aha. Hold on. See this side here? No, that's not it. Okay, that's it right there. It's oh, it says 447.3. But there's a resistor beside that brand, which I'm trying to figure out the part number for this resistor. There's a resistor right here, which is a resistor what? Let me see. Resistor 53. Oh wow, I got it now, guys. It's not burnt. It have that thing over it. Oh my word, really? It's have that silicone. Wow. It's 103. I think that's a 10K. Yeah, but they have IC right here too. So let me see again. A little test here. So that's when it's good. Alright. So let me put it on here. See what other resistor link to that thing. And we should have one right to come with this. Alright, this pin goes straight to it, okay. Pin straight from the power source, guys. The number one pin, look at that. Number one pin on this IC straight from the positive terminal of this amplifier. Wow. Okay, I think this is the result I'm looking for here. Seems to be okay. Let's see if it's it. Yes. And it's a 1 ohm resistor, guys. And it have what? You have 3 of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So that's 1. 2, 3. Hear that, guys? Those are 1 ohm resistors. And they're reading fine. So, see how it goes. One ohm resistor, guys. Alrighty then. On the flip side, guys. So this, alright, sorry about that, guys. This all is in it. Alright, guys, don't worry. I'll tell you what I'm doing while I'm going. Oh, my hand is a little scratching me. 47 ohm resistor, gauge resistor, 47 ohms. This one down here looks pretty nice. Jeez. But this, what? That really? Yeah, that says 72 ohms. It says 93. Ha! And this one says, yeah, 47. So the way this burned, guys, you thought, yeah, but these, yeah, a couple of them, they really look good. So I'm gonna just, let me see if I mess with all of these. Let me see. I can just do these alone. No. No. Yeah, these, yeah, they're not burned. So for this one, I'm gonna just leave those. Yeah, it's not that bad, guys. Normally I would change the whole thing, but for this one, yeah, you hear that burn? This was only 2 of these, and you could see on the board where the both of these MOSFET really go down really bad. But don't hold this against me, guys. I don't normally do that, but for this repair, yeah, I'll take the chance and do it like that. So 4.7 ohm. Let me go get some, guys. All right, guys, I got them. Let me turn on this light, guys. Don't. If it get too bright, guys, sorry about that. But yeah, you guys can see what I'm doing anyway. Trying to make, yes, you guys will see. But it's better for me, guys, with the lighting that I have here. Yeah. Wow. Just bring up everything, jeez. All right. 4.7 ohms. There's one here. All right. Okay. Okay. Good. All right. So get some 4.7 ohm. 1404, guys. And the 1404 that I'm going to be using of the batch, let me see, this says OR, 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 and OR. And it says you need what? 8 of them? 2, 4, 6, and OR 4, 6, 8. Let me show them, guys. Guys, all right. So let me start from this side, come down now. Install these. This one didn't get enough cleaning. Wow. turn this up a bit. Let me go full blast with this thing. Alright guys, install these 1404s in place of the H1. Put 1404. Ooh-wee. Think oh yeah, up a little bit more. Oh yeah, about there. Oh yeah, right there for real. Good. Right exactly there I want that one to sit. So this one's gonna sit right to match it. Just the same. Alright, so this one is going to match it like alright. Yep. Right there. And let me tap this one a little guys while I go. Kinda work out better for me in the long run. Hold on this one. Yeah, I need to tap it, but yeah, perfect. Right. Sorry guys if I'm not talking, that's just me focusing on what I'm doing. Yep. We're gonna cut myself yesterday guys in the little weird little way guys you would imagine. I have a razor and I turn it backwards. The blade backwards, I was using blade. Just the blade guys. I turn it backward and I press on it like when I was cutting something. I was like, man, that thing burst my finger guys, but it is what it is. I'll just call it trademark. One of them is trying to get from me. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that one is good right there. So I'll start this while I go. You don't have to do that, but it's kind of necessary a little way. Alright, let me see guys. Yeah, everything looks perfect. Here, put this back. Here. Sorry about that. So do some solder work here now guys. Man, this thing is, man, soldering is not playing. Okay. Right. So let's go on the flip side here now and see what's going on back here. And back here doesn't look too bad, guys. It's really, really good. I hope this light doesn't bother you guys. Sorry. It's better for me. Yeah. The other one was stressing me out a bit. Okay. Alright, this middle pin, let me put it down, guys. Let's bend this middle pin flat, guys. It's kind of good. Sometimes these burn out by the trace. So, yep. It's going to help this. Straighten the trace right there. Yeah, but for next time, it's going to be really hard to get out that, guys. But don't worry. We're not repairing this for it to come back. No way, guys. Alright. Yeah, this trace was small there. Make it bigger. Come on. Right, yeah, right there, guys. Right, let me turn this bright light off, guys, because definitely sorry about that, guys. Yeah, to me it's too bright right now. It was just to do what I was doing just now. Yes, guys, I'll just cut these really low. All right, so that's that. Oh my god, I remember a joke, guys. I don't even want to talk about it because I don't want to. Let's clean away excess flux, guys, and see if I see any solder trace, which somebody's gonna say, you're using up some to figure out where your solder bridge is. Really. Flux and that one up there. Oh yes, guys. So now, back over here now, guys. So what I'm going to do now is remove all these output MOSFET right here. These guys, remove these guys right here, cause one of them is showing. I mean, two of them not reading right, acting up. Big time to big time. I don't even want to check which one it is, but what I'm going to do is just clean the circuit board here. Oh yeah. Guys, give me the while I clean the circuit board so I don't have to make this video too long. So guys, here I'm gonna replace these with 1404. Let's see if I get a couple of them here. See how much I need. I need 4 of them. And I have 4 of the same batch here. Let's see. Yep, 4 of the same batch right there. Yes, guys, all I need is 4. Yep. Give me that 3000 watt as it says. Yep. Okay. Okay. Right. Guys, so yep. Put some solder to these now, guys. What you know? I mean IRFB 4115, guys. And these are replacing the H6. So yes, guys. This is what I'm using to replace the H6 MOSFETs, output MOSFETs. Yes, guys. This is the output here right now working on here. Wow. Output, guys. I tell you what I do with that middle pin. Yes, I did the same right there. Brace it down. Oh yeah, right there, nice. Middle pin, where is it? Right here. And I put it down like that. And then I just go. Some nice little solder work here. Yes, guys, and this is about it for this output. MOSFET. Oh yeah. Give me like a ump. Yeah, a little ump, guys, I said. I hate pointy pins. I hate those. Cut them off. Alright. I wash it, so let me just clean away the excess flux. Oh wow, tone this down a little. Guys, give me a minute here. Okay, guys, maybe this is gonna be a 1 minute repair. 1 minute or 1 hour, I mean. So 1 hour. So yes, guys, there's no blown cap. None of these caps are not blown. These are what? See what these caps are. 25 volts at 4007 microfarad, and these are 120 volts at 3020 microfarad. Everything else looks good. So I think I'm gonna give it a little test, guys. You never know. I'm going to give it a little test. So let's just see. Everything is okay here. And back here I have some resistor here, guys, which is 10 ohms. It's 100 on them here back here. Let's have a couple of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It had 4. So that's here. Resistor 133, 10 ohms. Resistor 135, 10 ohms. Resistor 136, 10 ohms. And resistor 134, 10 ohms. And the gate resistor on these power supply MOSFET. The gate resistors are 4.7 ohms, 4R7 ohms. And I replace also these output MOSFET, guys, which they were the H6. These were the H6. So I replace them with the IRFB 4115. Yes, guys, you can use those to replace it, or you could also use the IRFB 4127. Okay, so yeah, now that's about it. So I go over it a little already, so let me see, guys, if all is well. And these MOSFET driver IC says C5, and those C5, guys, are the IRS 2957S. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get some power to this thing, and we'll see together, guys, what happened. Oh yeah, let's see. Let's get it on. Man, this thing is Amplifier something else. Why is this Allen key giving me that kind of trouble? Alright. The Allen key just sit on top of the thing barely. And now we don't have nothing for the those screws for the for the remote. So now, yeah, they didn't send one, so now I'm gonna have to find one, I guess. Normally I do, but they didn't give me one with it, but that's not a big problem. The problem is getting it to work. Alright, now go this way, so positive, and then you have ground. So everything seems to be good, guys, right here. And then this lead is not sitting well, but alright, guys, we just want to see if it powers up or what's happening. If it does pause up, good to go. Check all I should check, and let's give it a try, guys. See what goes. Fan comes on, no power light. Alright, guys, so the fan comes on, no power light. So guys, yeah, definitely have to going to do a part 2 of this video, guys. So yep, so I'm gonna check some more and I'll let you guys know what I discover. So yes, guys, I'll definitely let you guys know what I discover. But yeah, but something is still not right here. Alright, so see you guys on the next one. See you on part 2 of this video, guys. Sorry, yeah, everything didn't work out on one go. You know, sometimes that does happen, but yep. Alright, guys, so cardio out for now, guys. Part 2 of this video is coming up shortly.